From idea to app, launch an AI tool in 7 days. In a competitive digital landscape, bringing an idea to life quickly is essential for staying ahead. Rapid app development emphasizes efficiency by simplifying the process and focusing on core components. This approach allows creators to adapt quickly to feedback, market demands, and technological advancements. Day 1. Ideation and research. Brainstorm innovative ideas by identifying specific problems your app could solve or unique ways to enhance existing solutions. Use market research to explore user behavior, preferences, and pain points, focusing on gaps competitors may have overlooked. Analyze relevant trends to better understand what resonates with your target audience. Validate your concept by gathering feedback from potential users or industry experts, refining it based on insights gathered. This groundwork ensures your app idea is not only original, but also aligned with real-world needs, setting a solid foundation for development. Day 2. Planning and prototyping. Begin by outlining the app's main features and mapping out the user journey to create a seamless experience. Use wireframes or low-fidelity prototypes to visualize the structure and functionality, helping to identify potential challenges early. Establish clear priorities for each feature, ensuring that development efforts focus on elements offering the most impact. Choose tools and platforms that align with your project's goals to streamline the process. Collaborate with your team to refine the plan, addressing any uncertainties or gaps. A well-thought-out prototype serves as a guide for subsequent stages, bridging the gap between concept and execution. Day 3. Designing the interface. Choose a design style that aligns with your app's purpose while ensuring accessibility for a wide range of users. Focus on simplicity, using clear layouts and concise elements to guide interactions. Maintain visual consistency with colors, typography, and spacing to create a cohesive experience. Test various design mock-ups to gauge user preferences and refine based on their responses. Incorporate features that enhance usability, such as intuitive navigation and well-placed action buttons. Prioritize functionality in your visual design to ensure the app not only looks appealing but also supports users in completing tasks efficiently and comfortably. Day 4. Developing the backend. Focus on building a robust system to handle your app's core processes and data management. Set up databases and APIs that facilitate seamless communication between the app's interface and its underlying systems. Implement secure protocols to protect user data and ensure smooth operations. Optimize server configurations for speed and reliability, keeping scalability in mind for future growth. Choose technologies and frameworks that align with your app's requirements to streamline development. Day 5. Building the frontend. Integrate the app's user interface with backend functionalities to ensure seamless interaction and performance. Focus on responsive design principles to adapt layouts and features to different screen sizes and devices. Implement interactive elements that enhance usability and accessibility, prioritizing smooth navigation and fast loading times. Test the interface across multiple platforms to identify and resolve compatibility issues. Use modern frameworks and tools to streamline development and maintain code efficiency. Day 6. Testing and iteration. Run thorough tests to identify bugs, performance issues, and design inconsistencies. Focus on how the app performs under different conditions, such as varying network speeds or device types. Gather user feedback during testing to uncover pain points and usability challenges. Prioritize fixes based on their impact on functionality and user satisfaction. Use automated testing tools to speed up the process while ensuring comprehensive coverage of key features. Day 7. Launch and marketing. Prepare your app for launch by ensuring it meets platform guidelines and functions flawlessly. Develop a targeted marketing strategy to build awareness, utilizing platforms like social media and industry networks. Highlight your app's unique features to attract users and generate interest. Monitor initial feedback post-launch to make quick improvements and maintain user engagement.
Please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.